If you want to buy your first cryptocurrency and you don't have much knowledge about it, don't worry, because I'm gonna teach you how to buy crypto easily. Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Marker, a crypto training channel for beginners. In this video, you will learn how to buy cryptocurrency in 5 steps. Step 1. Choose a broker or a crypto exchange. To buy cryptocurrency, first you need to choose a broker or a crypto exchange. When deciding where to buy cryptocurrency, your chosen platform should offer low fees, your preferred payment method, small account minimums, and of course, a strong regulatory framework. Caution: hackers commonly target crypto exchanges, so choose one that is large and well established, where you can hopefully expect a high level of security. We mention a selection of top-rated platforms that allow you to buy cryptocurrency safely and cost-effectively. Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, Binance, PayPal, Gemini. Step 2. Create and verify your account. Once you decide on a cryptocurrency broker or exchange, you can sign up to open an account. Depending on the platform and the amount you plan to buy, you may have to verify your identity. This is an essential step to prevent fraud and meet regulatory requirements. You may not be able to buy or sell cryptocurrency until you complete the verification process. The platform may ask you to submit a copy of your driver's license or passport, and you may even be asked to upload a selfie to prove your appearance matches the documents you submit. Step 3. Fund your account. Once you've signed up with a crypto brokerage, you'll need to connect your bank account. Most crypto brokerages offer bank funding through debit cards and wire transfers. Wire transfer is typically your cheapest option to fund your account. It's free on Coinbase. Depending on the exchange or broker and your funding method, you may have to wait a few days before you can use the money you deposit to buy cryptocurrency. Step 4. Pick a crypto to invest in. Once there's money in your account, you're ready to place your first cryptocurrency order. There are hundreds of cryptocurrencies to choose, ranging from well-known names like Bitcoin and Ethereum to more obscure cryptos like Theta Fuel or Holo. Step 5. Store your cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency exchanges are not backed by protections like the UK's Financial Services Compensation Scheme, and they're at risk of theft or hacking. You could even lose your investment if you forget or lose the codes to access your account. That's why it's important to have a secure storage place for your cryptocurrencies. The wallet generates a unique cryptographic address that allows you to carry out transactions with the currency. There are 2 types. Hot wallets. These are digital wallets that are connected to the internet. Cold wallets. Digital wallets that are offline, such as USB drivers. If you enjoyed this content and found it useful, please subscribe and watch the other videos.